Ayun guys, good morning. Nandito na kami sa Grace Hills guys. Ayun guys, oh. Yan yun guys, yan. Yan yung ano, yan. Yan yung entrance. Yan ang Laguna Lake. Yan. Taas na pala dito guys. Ayun yung kasama ko guys, oh. Mahangin dito guys. Mainit na may hangin. Yan guys, oh. Yan yung Laguna Lake. Yan. Ay yung bundok ito, salamin guys, oh. Laki ng salamin, oh.
Picture mo kasama.
Yung Grace Hills guys, yan. Yan si Grace Hill. I love Grace Hill. Yan guys, oh. Kopi. Grace Hill, kopi. Yan. Akyatin. Ayan Grace Hill. Ayan si Grace Hill. Yan, oh. Yan. Yan guys, oh. Yung Grace Hill. Laguna Lake. Yan guys. Ayan guys, oh. Yan, yung kapihan guys. Sino? Tama ba yan?